Have you ever wondered what it would be like to break free from the monotony of your 9-to-5 grind, where despite hard work, you're left with little money? Now, what if I tell you that an 18-year-old has not only cracked the code to financial success, but she has done so by using YouTube Shorts? This girl is Jenny Hoyos, and her story is nothing short of inspiring. In an age where attention spans are fleeting, Jenny has managed to capture the hearts and views of millions. Her videos get huge views, earning her a lot of money. With over 800 million views and an average of 10 million views per video, Jenny is a standout creator. If you want to find out how Jenny is making millions with shorts and determine if you can do it too, then keep watching. Jenny has been rocking the finance niche on YouTube, but she didn't just wake up one day and decide, hey, I want to be a YouTube star. Nope, it was a gradual process. She's from a big family of entrepreneurs with a bunch of cousins crazy about YouTube. For Hoyos, family time meant watching YouTube and hitting the movie theater regularly. This did not only get her hooked on digital stories, but also made her fall in love with YouTube at a very young age. So it's no surprise that she started making videos herself. Then high school happened, which is the best place if you want your dreams and self-confidence to be shattered thanks to the not-so-best fellow high schoolers. Hoyos often got mean comments, which made her think her videos weren't going anywhere, so she stopped sharing them publicly. But here's the cool part. She didn't give up on making videos. Fast forward to the COVID lockdowns. Hoyos realized that she was stuck in some bad habits like gaming all day and decided she needed a change. She needed a passion. So she tried different gigs. During the pandemic lockdowns, Jenny's interest had grown in personal finance. And so, she started making videos in this niche. The finance niche is indeed an interesting one, with high ad revenue potential, targeted audience, and evergreen content. But sometimes, it can get tricky due to saturated markets, complex content, and limited appeal to some viewers. When Jenny initiated her YouTube channel, she made videos on Bitcoin mining and explored cryptocurrency. Did you know that Bitcoin and crypto have great benefits like protection against inflation? And in today's economy, isn't that a great feature? They're not owned by a single financial or government entity and have minimal to zero transaction fees. But of course, they have some risks like volatility and lack of regulation or refunding. So when Jenny started making videos on these topics, they were initially a hit. At first, things looked good. She was making some money. But unexpectedly, she lost all the money she earned. Even though she didn't lose more than what she initially invested, all her profits were gone. The only money left was from Bitcoin mining, and she used that for other investments. Jenny quickly identified what was holding her back. She was making videos with a focus on get-rich-quick schemes. Being a beginner, she was experimenting with these types of videos. However, she soon realized that she needed to change her mindset and strategy. Initially, she was all about finding ways to get rich quickly, but as time passed, she understood that it's not about quick riches. It's about developing skills. To put it simply, getting rich fast isn't the reality. Soon she started creating videos about side hustles or similar topics, but this time she chose things that may not pay as well initially but are more dependable in the long run. And guess what? It worked. People started loving her videos. But the YouTube Shorts queen didn't start with shorts initially. Her first videos that made her popular were of the long-form type. Now, long-form videos come with various benefits like in-depth content, opportunities for monetization through ad revenue, and better subscriber retention. However, they can be a bit costly for beginners, time-consuming, and in today's world, it's a challenge to keep people hooked on lengthy videos. Jenny, being smart about it, didn't create typical long videos. Hers were only 2 minutes each. Even then, she knew the importance of keeping things short and simple. Then one day, she had a light bulb moment. She thought, if all my long forms are going to be 2 minutes, why don't I just make shorts? Now, short-form videos may have limited monetization options, face SEO challenges, and lack depth, but they are bite-sized and align well with today's generation. They're also easier and more budget-friendly to make. Unsurprisingly, her short-form videos took off. Many of them amassed millions of views. When Jenny began her journey, it took her almost a year to get her first 1,000 subscribers, but soon they multiplied into 10,000 in a month, then 60,000, then 200,000, and so on. As Jenny's numbers soared, it was only a matter of time before brands came knocking with sponsorship deals. Initially, Jenny felt fortunate to receive sponsorship offers, and she hesitated to negotiate, fearing it might jeopardize the opportunities. Reflecting on those early negotiations, Jenny admitted, 100% I undercharged myself so badly. It's almost embarrassing how bad I was undercharging myself. Determined to rectify this, she delved into online resources and sought consultations to better understand the dynamics of negotiating sponsorship deals. She invested in her skills. Despite her initial hesitation, Jenny always had a clear sense of her value. Recognizing that she provided brands access to a large and devoted audience, coupled with her financial expertise, she knew she could be a valuable partner. Over time, she started charging what she rightfully deserved. One thing that has helped Jenny throughout her journey is her quality over quantity approach, opting for one excellent video a week over several lower quality ones. While this approach requires more resources, more time, and has a slower output, it works wonders for brand image and viewer engagement due to high-quality content. Hoyos applied the same strategy to her sponsorship deals as well. As of today, Jenny's net worth ranges between $2 million to $5 million, a testament to her success in navigating the world of sponsorships and content creation. Now, 2 years later since her journey began, she's almost at 2 million subscribers, and her videos? They've hit a crazy 850 million views. Jenny is truly a mastermind, especially considering she's only 18. It's not just about making videos for her. She's got a deep understanding of YouTube and its algorithms, which is pretty impressive. The best part? She's got a long journey ahead, and who knows what incredible achievements she'll unlock in the coming years. The future seems bright for Jenny, and the exciting part is that her path is open for anyone to follow. You don't need to be a genius or hold advanced degrees to rock the content creation world. Seriously, anyone can jump into this game. It's all about learning the ropes, having fun, and hey, maybe even filling your pockets while you're at it. Just like Jenny, many YouTube creators have grown their channels a lot, getting more than 1 million subscribers by using the Shorts feature. But before you start using Shorts, there are some things you should know. YouTube Shorts give you a platform to reach a bigger audience, especially those who like short videos. It can help make more people aware of your brand, get more interest, views, and subscribers. Shorts have their own way of showing videos, making it easier to get noticed than longer videos. Additionally, making shorts is easier and faster. Also, you can use parts of your longer videos to make shorts, which works well with Shorts algorithm and the people who watch them. But there are some downsides to them as well. You can't make money from them the usual way, like showing ads. Also, people who watch shorts might not watch longer videos, which can be a problem for creators who want their audience to watch longer content. To sum it up, it's important to consider how shorts align with your content style, the interests of your audience, and the overall image you want to portray. Nonetheless, they're definitely a game changer. If you are dreaming about a life of financial freedom and are ready to learn about other easy-to-set-up online businesses with low investment, check out the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more inspiring stories about successful entrepreneurs.